over. Zaki say I'm married to you.
I don't time for that yet. I'm money time now.
What kind of money, Merle?
Money is the thing. And me and Zaki big in a hit. Shannon and Jace, me and Zaki rich.
Rich off our ganja.
You know, me no mean that the foolishness there. Me mean good rich. And it's him cause it. Mr. Wisdom, sir, you boys could have never harm anybody. You too nice. But what about the man of smiling? God rest his soul.
Merle, why not stop talking into parables and tell us what's happening? What is it?
You know, sister, the woman mad now. It's a mad woman that tell her. I mean, I don't know why she take herself to your asylum, you know. Why she never come to your place? There's no asylum, you know, me dear. I mean, I don't know where you're from.
Calm on yourself. I just wanted a little time to say thanks to Mr. Wisdom. Mr. Shalman and Jace, Zaki win a big piece of money off a horse race. And your father. And your father dream him and tell him, you know, Shalman. Mr. When Zaki come home, you know, Shally, and tell me saying when I will to save it. I was sat and mad with him. You know how me can mad with him already. But Shally, you see when Zaki come home and tell me how much money he win, me say me just king over see you.
Let me tell you. This a woman you gone, man. She not play with the full deck at all. And watch it, first of all, she come in and come talk to the ducky picture. And then she give him a flat manaba. And me not pay no mind, you know. Me not pay no mind. Because me know my friend Zaki. And if Zaki did with any portion of money, Zaki will be the first man to walk in here and take money so lick me in my chest. So, man, but they want Zaki in there now.
From man, he ain't gonna collect the money and I know he can't come back.
So weird. You're not afraid. Mine all you get out of the money, there's a little hear me later.
Merle, are you certain about the winnings? Mine is scream too early, you know. Because I know your poor heart can't take it.
Last year, Jack, some of the pay man and our excitement, them no man, you know. Because you just come over here and come disturb people, so. Sure. Guys, come over, go inside us and go relax with body, no man. Because you see if Zaki should walk in here now, all you that hear out of Zaki about is, me pee, I just missed the big one, so. So, about how much money you think Zaki will, Merle?
Me thinks there thousands of dollars, you know, Shally. But all me know Zaki never hold so much money in his life. So yet, hear me out.
Hear the judgment here now.
Zaki, is what kind of excitement you Merle come over?
John right, that's all right, night.
Talk, me feel. We got time. Man with money got all the time in the world.
You remember the idea when I asked you?
All right, no bother with the arrangement part. No bother with the arrangement part. It's because we're well familiar with the arrangement part. What I want to know is how much money you win.
$10,000. And I get the vision right, that's all. Right with the chair, that's all. Officer, thanks to Merle.
All right, no bother with the speech yet. Because we have a lot to celebrate. What with Chas, my wife coming back home to me, and my best friend turned millionaire. This called for drinks, let me not get the drinks.
Alright, now that Shalman going to look about the drinks. I want you to tell me if you have any plans about the money. You don't have to tell me your business.
Aye, Joyce, darling, you know I can't tell you anything. We're like one big happy family. I have to share the news, the plans, and the money with all of it.
No, what I want to find out if you have any major plans.
I have something quite up on my mind. I do mention to Merle. First, I want to make an announcement.
All right, I'm going to announcement in the community. Here come.
Of your ears were cleaning.
Let me not be stay browning, man. Come in up, come take your one. No, me love not that one, you're tired now. Don't say you could have bride. just hold your size. Oh no, me P, the biggest one is for you. Come, mommy, come, mommy.
Now, Joyce, darling, I want you to be the chief bridesmaid.
Oh yes.
Because
oh, yes.
I know who the best man going to be already.
Natural, natural.
What I'm trying to say is that me and Merle are going to do the thing next month.
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
I say hip, hip.
Hooray!
Relax, Merle, girl. Me can't just imagine how for your kina and a fire.
Because I cannot begin to speak it.
How can you be so cold to a big proposal like that?
But me not think sure what the man say. Me not think sure what the man say, you know. Because I couldn't that the woman there will come over here to me and bawl how much I water and tell me how she cannot understand why Zaki was married to her. And now the man pop the sweetest song in words into your ears, woman. And you're gonna say, you're kulu mulu,
Shalman and Joyce, make I tell you something. Me and Zaki are come from far. And a little bit of separation we go through. Me only pick up a little helper's job every now and again. And Zaki, him take ages before him get a job. And when him do get the job, it no pay him anything much. Me live with Zaki, through thin and thin. And I know say me no love him. I wouldn't well wandering there. But I am not satisfied. This is Zaki take this first big money we make in life and go buy gold wire. What I want to see Zaki do is take this money, make a bigger and better start in life. For him and for me, if him please. Marriage can come anytime. It no have to come now just because of the little money. Me love Zaki. And me not leave him for love nor for money.
Merle, I'm proud of you.
Me too, Merle. I'm very proud of you. And I want Zaki to know that you have a very good woman in you.
Me know that, Joyce. Now why people now marry to her even without the money?
Aye, no bother with it without money business, yes, sir. No bother with it. Because we have money now. We're rich. What I want to know is what you want to do with your portion of the riches.
I'm going to plan point about mine. I do me trying to marry where my money is. Where my money is.
See me money, I'm a piece. See me money, I never get time to share it all. But we can't share it now because it's that.
It's a good thing you never share it now because I mean I think me again tonight. Party. Just the money, eh? This is our own car. I'm going to go buy one. And I'm going to fix it up. And I'm going to go in a taxi business.
Taxi business!
Just like me be. Well, this...
Jamaicans or West Indians, but British subjects. How that? Yeah, but no, I really want to tell you how grateful we are. And thanks to our promoters and to you for supporting us and giving us the opportunity of performing here in England, because it has been a really very wonderful experience, which none of us, I'm sure, will ever forget. You've been wonderful. All the audiences have been really great. Although Mrs. Samano, we don't know if it's a paper fan. Same way. Although you get one like a child, cheap fan, I'm going. But it's been great. It's that we could afford one time and we still stick on to it, eh? We could have done with that shit after we're done with it. But it has been really wonderful. And the expression, the response, and the expression of love has been really tremendous because we feel it on the stage here. So we want to thank you very much and to wish you all the best and God bless. Thank you.